My name is McGinley. I've been with the Judge Group a little over 7 years. I'm the Vice President of Recruiting, and I primarily recruit technical individuals, mainly developers, everything from Java to more specialized skill sets like SailPoint, even help desk and desktop support as well. When I'm talking to a candidate, the first thing I typically look for is what is their current situation? Why are they on the job market? Why are we on the phone? Is it their project ended? Is it budget cuts? Is it I'm looking for new technologies because I'm working on older legacy systems, and see if I can alleviate that and solve that problem. If not, I tell them I don't think this is the best opportunity for you, and then I ultimately look for a different opportunity within our system because we do have thousands of different jobs here, Judge. The skills we look for in candidates, on the front end it would be like Angular and TypeScript. On the back end it would be Spring Boot and microservices. A lot of our clients do require AWS at this point. It would be beneficial to have, or if they're willing to learn it, that would be great as well. But it's more than just deployments. So what makes a candidate shine in an interview is really explaining what they did in their current role. Passionate candidates are very enthusiastic, they're reliable, and go into detail about what they did, not only with technologies, but also in their projects. And that's really what sets a good candidate apart from an average candidate. The most rewarding thing for myself would be really just helping candidates. We always want to place candidates, but at the end of the day, our main objective is finding the perfect opportunity for the perfect candidate. That ultimately sets Judge apart from the competition.